Okay, grab your journal and a marker or a pencil or a pen. Then this lesson is really fun. You need this, the scale. Okay, grab this, and if you notice, if you open it up, you can open that up, and there's stuff in there, okay? We're gonna use that stuff. Then what you need is the kitchen scale, and you will need to ask Javon for this, okay? The kitchen scale, it's in this box, and then what you do is you take it out very carefully, and it looks like this. And all you have to do is push the on button, and you just wait a minute, okay? Then you set it down, and it will say 0G. 0G is grams. 0 grams. Right now there's nothing on it, right? So it's at 0 grams, okay? See, there's my kitchen scale, and here's this. Now what we're going to do, open up the drawer, and you'll see that there's a bunch of stuff in there. Okay, you can use this stuff. You can also go around the room and grab some other stuff. I got some counting bears. I got some dice. So go around the room and grab some things, just like, 5 dice, 5 counting bears, a pen, or whatever you want. Just go grab maybe 10 other things and then come back. Okay, now this is really fun. What you get to do is you get to balance things. So, for example, you would take 2 dice, and then you would take 3 counting bears, and you would see which one is heavier. Ooh, I'm surprised. Those are really similar. I thought the 2 dice would be heavier. Okay, so then what you do is you take them out. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make predictions, okay? So this is where you get your journal. So you get your journal, and you're gonna make a prediction. You're gonna say, I think that 2 dice is heavier than this clip, okay? So then on your paper in your journal, you're gonna write 2 dice, and then you're gonna write clip, okay? Then what you'll do is, I think that 2 dice is gonna be heavier. So I'm gonna mark that somehow. I'm just gonna put a little dot by the 2 dice because I think it's heavier. Okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna measure what you think. So then I put the 2 dice in one side and the clips in the other side. Okay, and we're gonna move, let's see. Which one is heavier? Whoa. They are just about the same. The clip is like the teeniest, tiniest, ittiest, bittiest heavier. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is this. Now, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna take the 2 dice and you're gonna put it on your kitchen scale. Remember your kitchen scale? Okay, you put it on. So I put the 2 dice on and I take off my hand. It says 10 grams. Okay, so I'm gonna write that down. 2 dice are 10 G. Now I'm gonna measure my clip. I'm gonna put my clip on my kitchen scale. 12 G. So this thing was right. It was just a teeny tiny bit bigger. See how I've got that written now? So 2 dice, remember I thought that was gonna be heavier, so I put the dot by it. But it was 10 G, and the clip was 12 G. So which one was bigger? The clip. Do you remember how to write bigger and smaller? Do you remember those? This is bigger. Okay, so the clip was bigger with 12G. Okay, now let's do it again. I'm gonna do, little fuzzy balls. I'm going to do 4 little fuzzy balls. Pom-poms. And a dice. Okay. Which one do I think is bigger? I'm going to write it down. So I'm going to write down 4 fuzzy balls and 1 dice. I think 1 dice is bigger. So I'm going to put a little, dot by it. Okay, here we go. Let's put them on our balance thing. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. The dice is much heavier. Okay, so now remember what we do next? We put them on our scale. Here's our scale. We make sure that it's flat on the table. We put our dice on. Let's get our dice on. Okay, our dice is 5G. Okay, now our fuzzies are 4 fuzzy balls. Oh yeah, they're just 2G. 2G. Okay, so we were right on that one, huh? Our dice is bigger. Our dice is bigger. So do you remember the alligator mouths? These are our alligator mouths. And you put whatever's bigger in the bigger part of the mouth. See? So this is the alligator mouth. This is the bigger thing. So that's where you put it. And you can circle the bigger thing too. Okay? So I want you to do that 10 more times. So pick some things. Decide write them down. Pick 2 things. Write them down. Then you put them in here to balance them to see which one is more. Then you put them on the scale and weigh them. Okay? Then you write down which one's bigger, just like we did. Okay, do it 10 more times. Remember, when you're done, have someone check your work. Have fun. This is a fun one.